Let's go! Sawadika! Thank you! On the way to the airport na kami, mga kalalabs. Good morning, good morning! Maaga ang biyahe for today. Airport na kami, mga kalalabs. Is it heavy? Which one?
It's okay.
Okay, let's go. Done check-in, mga kalalabs, and immigration. Hanapin lang namin yung lounge para makapag-breakfast kami before yung flight. Maaga pa naman. So yung boarding time is 10:30 and it's only ano naman time? 8:30? Kaso nga lang, malaki tong airport na to. Mauubos yung oras mong hanapin yung lounge. Sobrang pa kanyo, parang mall din ang ng Thailand ang kanilang airport. Lahat ng brand na gusto nyong or hinahanap nyo, mabibili nyo rin dito. Wow. Nasaan si Nicole? Hi, Nicole! How are you? Good? How's your sleep? Good? Hanapin lang natin yung lounge para makapagkape. Lounge muna tayo. Nahanap namin yung lounge. Kape, tapos kain breakfast. Yay! That's great. We can relax. And then that's the airplane. There you go. Nicole, you can fix your stuff now. Tignan natin yung food nila. It's more on salad. Salad. Hello. Good morning. Oh, they have congee, I think. This is congee. Oh, it's different. It's not thick. Scrambled egg.
Kimchi soup.
And they have, yeah, I know, right? Kimchi soup. Sausages. Do you want kimchi soup? Parang it's like sinigang. Oh, fried rice. And then we have chicken. What else we have here? Oh, pasta. And then bread. Bread, and ice cream. Diba? Kain. So, meron akong chicken, meron tayong sausage, rice, and then, of course, for the last time, papaya salad. Make your own papaya salad, diba? And then, coffee. So, kain po. Where's Shasky? Yeah. On the way na kami sa gate namin, mga kalalabs. Na-enjoy namin yung aming breakfast. And tingnan nyo naman yung mga andito, oh. Grabe, may mga Dior, Chanel, Connect, McDonald's. So medyo malayo yung gate namin. Tiyaga-tiyaga lang sa paglalakad. Panira ka, be. Panira. Panira. Boarding time, mga kalalabs. Pila-pila na. See you soon. Ho Chi Minh City. Update ko na lang kayo sa Vietnam, mga kalalabs. Thank you. Touchdown, Vietnam, mga kalalabs. Ngayon, ay sobrang busy sa immigration. Pero meron kaming visa. So, I don't know if there's itong mga nandito sa pila is wala silang visa. So, mag-stay kasi kami ng longer. At saka yung gamit namin passport is Canadian. So, kailangan naming mag-apply ng visa online. Anyway, may SIM card pala silang benta dito. But, pila-pila. Grab na kami, mga kalalab. So, paglabas niyo dyan sa airport, lilipat lang kayo dito sa kabilang kalsada para dito kasi yung pick up ng nila Grab. So, madali lang naman mag-book ng Grab. Basta may Grab app kayo. Medyo dito, yung hangin mainit. Iba yung init niya. Sabi ni Nicole, parang Pilipinas daw. Parang nung paglabas namin ng airport, parang Pilipinas nga. Oh, ito yung si Nicole, oh. Nicole, are you excited?
Hey, no sleeping and no puking.
No sleeping.
Because,
No sleeping, no
I want you to look out
puking.
the window.
Oh my God, sobrang
Once we
busy
get out
dyan
there.
sa mga kalabs immigration. Grabe. Like, oh my God. I feel like, mas gusto ko pa yung yung pila sa immigration sa Pilipinas kaysa yung dito. But anyway, yun lang naman yung napansin ko. Share ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. Hello, Vietnam! Nandito na kami sa hotel, mga kalalabs. Mag-check-in lang kami. Let's do check-in. It was so far. Oh my gosh. Ang layo ng Ang layo ng... Hello! How are you? Good, thank you. Tingnan yung lobby dito. I don't remember it like that, but anyway. Is it that way? Or this way? Is this one or that one? Okay, thank you. Nakapag-check-in na kami dito sa hotel, finally, mga kalalabs. Kasi yung biyahe namin, ang total niya is already 4:30 and I think it's 10 hours. So, yung flight namin na-delay siya. Nakasakay na kami sa aeroplano, pero yung pag-take off ng aeroplano is like after 1 hour, saka kami nakaalis. Kaya late na rin kami nakarating dito sa Vietnam. But anyway, okay naman kasi mukhang marirelax kami dito sa ating bagong accommodation. And by the way, mga kalalabs, itong place na inistihan namin, ang pangalan niya ay Reverie Residential. So, meron silang hotel. I think 7 years ago, nag-stay kami dito pero dun sa hotel nila. But this time is residential. I am super excited na ipakita sa inyo yung yung ating titirhan ng almost 1 month. Si Nicole na-shock siya kasi niloloko namin siya kanina pa. Sabi namin wala kang sariling bed, yung bathroom nasa labas. So, sobrang excited niya. So, dahil sobrang excited na rin ako, let's do a house tour or room tour or hotel tour, kung ano yung tawagin nyo. Pero, sasabihin ko na lang na house tour kasi I can feel na parang I'm at home. So, let's do a quick house tour. Let's start in the start tayo dito sa my main door. Hello, welcome. Let's do a quick house tour or hotel tour or I don't know what you call it. But anyway, so that's the main door natin. And then pagkapasok nyo, we have our kitchen. I like the kitchen. It's very like, alam mo yung space niya is perfect. So they have like, of course, alam niyo na kung ano nasa kitchen, di ba? Oh my God, look at that cutlery, love.
Oh goodness, it's so much
gosh.
better than the other place.
Yeah. And then we have free bottled water here. And then we have teas. They don't have coffee? I didn't see that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they don't have coffee.
No, but they do downstairs in the residence lounge.
Oh, I see. Okay. And then we have complimentary drinks here. Oh my gosh. So we have oranges. I think orange juice. And then is this soda or ano?
Oh yeah, see,
Beer.
we got the things
Yeah.
here.
And then we got the things there.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Very nice. And a pass-through window so you could pass the food.
Yeah, everything that you need here actually is here, mga kalalabs. Oh. There you
Very
go.
nice.
Yeah. And next will be here. We have our dining. We have our dining table, and then we have living room. Look at this living room. It's so fancy. There you go. It's fancy. It's so comfy. And then they give us complimentary fruits, and then we don't know this one yet. Later we will open it, and then the wine, of course. Look at that wine. And welcome to our living room. Hindi pala living room. This is our master bedroom. Oh my gosh, mga kalalas. Oh my god, we will have a good sleep for sure. So malaki yung ano nila, king size bed, or I think or queen size bed. But look at this view.
Whoa.
Look at that view, mga kalalabs. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so amazing. Like, look at that, eh? It's so clear. Si Papa, di ba, kumukuha ng video, ha, mga kalalabs? Baka maano kayo, mahilo-hilo. So, next will be here. This is my dream. Dream bathroom. We have office here in this side. Papa Dib can work there. And then if you turn around, we will have our walk-in closet. Oh my god, my dream walk-in closet. And then of course our bathroom. This is amazing also because look at that, the space. So this is the shower area. This is the yung alam mo na bawasan ng area. And then look at the bathtub and then the view. Hello Vietnam! Oh my gosh. Look at that view, eh? What is this building, love?
That is the Tower
What is that building?
of Love.
Tower of Love. Come on. Oh, I think that is the helicopter.
It is, you're right.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, we're done with our room. Let's go to Nicole's room. Oh my god, this place is amazing. So let's come in. Meron tayong this is the bathroom for guests, bathroom. And then we will have Nicole's room. So of course we can put the bed together if she wanted. And it's very spacious as well. Meron din siyang view. She had 2 tables. Okay, two tables here. It's amazing also, right? Oh, what is that?
There's somebody there for you.
Okay, so Papa Dib will talk to that person. Okay, let's do the naman ni Nicole, bathroom niya. Ito yung bathroom ni Nicole, oh. Mayroon din siyang pa-closet dito. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung nakunan ba ni Papa Dib yung mga pinagtuturo ko kasi umiikot-ikot siya, bi. And then may bathtub din si Nicole. I like this one, mga kalalabs, kasi double siya, sink. Alam mo yung yung parang nangarap ako na magkaroon ng ganito, even though hindi naman kami talaga dito forever, but at least naranasan natin, 'di ba, mga kalalabs? And meron din siyang shower, and then this is her toilet. Ayan, I am super happy, mga kalalabs, grabe. I am so grateful. Grateful sa lahat ng blessing na natanggap natin, as you can see. Like isang beses mo lang to ma-experience, 'di ba, mga kalalabs? Oh my god, looks so amazing.
You know what I can't believe?
Then the swimming pool is downstairs there.
I have stayed in some really nice luxury places before, many times. But we've never lived in anything like this. This is a long time we're going to live in something like this.
I know, it's like less than 30 days. So isang siya. Almost 1 month, mga kalalabs. Yan lang. And check this out. Yay, pwede mo siyang isara dito. Hi! Hello, girl. What are you doing? You're excited? Si Nicole na-amaze na siya kanina pa. Malapit ako sa camera, no, mga kalabs. Baka sa tingin niyo sumisigaw ako, no? It's just that... I like it! Oh, where's the, babe, hot water maker? I need to make tea because my, stomach is really... It's really painful. I like the space of this kitchen.
This is actually, this brand is a very expensive brand.
I know, right? They're not joking around. But they have orange juice and some drinks in there.
That is why they want, I know, because you have to go through inventory later.
Ah,
So you don't take home their beautiful knives.
okay. Oh, they have more free items there, Nicole. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
look, even the Ricola.
What is Ricola? It's
It's all free.
it's all
The chips
free.
and the candy.
The chip and the candy. That's what she said. Okay. Pahinga lang kami, mga kalabs, and we will find our pho kasi of course nasa Vietnam ka. So Try natin yung pho nila dito. Labas muna tayo mga kalalabs. Kain tayo ng dinner. Where should we go? Let's check. Pho. We need to check out. Meron ako mga restaurant na gustong kainan. But of course, today or tonight will be like, alam mo yung kung ano lang yung makita natin. Kasi alam naman natin na masarap naman lahat ng pagkain dito sa Vietnam. Hindi siya spicy. So, we will try banh mi, tapos pho, and then we will try the one that, my favorite, Nicole, the one I make all the time. Yung ano, yung salad, yung pork, ayun. So, let's check if they have fully. So, they have restaurant fully para doon sa pho. Tapos, itong isa is, tinitignan ko lang para alam ko yung ano, baka makita namin siya sa daan. Di doon tayo kakain. Bon Tet Nuang. Wow, how can I pronounce that? Bon Tet Nuang Chi Truin. Where is that location? So you want pho, right, Nicole?
Yeah.
So let's find. Maybe we can find this restaurant, but I don't know. Pho. Let's fully. Okay, fully. Bili din pala kami ng SIM card mga kalabs kasi wala kaming SIM card. Hindi kami bumili sa airport kasi mahal sa airport. And then, alam mo yun, makakahanap naman tayo ng SIM card dito sa ano. Dito malapit sa amin. Are we ready, love? Let's go. Okay, let's go. But we are happy kasi we're here. And we will enjoy this place. And then, sa mga susunod na araw, we need to go grocery, mga kalalabs. Beb, did you get the key?
No.
Okay.
So we have 3 keys.
Yeah, one for Nicole, one for you. So let's do the. I think we're together.
Yeah.
We're together right now. Just leave that one for. Okay. So mag-ano kami, bibili kami ng ano mga. I think you should turn off the lights, love. Remove that thing off. Yeah, that's the key. Oh, there's a key that you need to remove. Yun nga, bibili ng grocery kasi matagal tayo.
Wait, what's our number?
2215. Minsan kasi nakakalimutan namin yung number ng hotel namin. Kaya minsan si Papa pag nagta-travel siya, mag-message sa akin. Pipicturean niya yung hotel niya tapos auto so that I can remember my room number, sabi niya. Pero hindi ka naman mawawala-wala dahil nga ano mga kalalab. Syempre, tatanungin mo sa receptionist kung ano yung ano mo, di ba? Yung room number mo. Kaya alam niyo, nakaka-amiss tong ano na to. Itong pinag-istihan namin. Especially doon sa may lobby. Ay grabe, ma-amiss kayo doon sa lobby ng hotel nila. Nasa labas na kami mga kalalabs. Gusto kong sumakay dyan sa bus na yan. Tapos i-drive kayo sa kung saan-saan. Magkano kaya, no? Ang kinagandahan nung ano natin mga kalalabs, yung tinitirhan natin is malapit lang siya sa mga pasyalan, restaurant, mga ganyan. Punta lang kami sa bangko mga kalalabs, kukuha kami ng panggastos. Kasi may mga restaurant dito na hindi sila nag-accept ng credit card, cash lang. Hotel Continental Saigon. Meron silang Uniqlo O, diba? Shopping pa more. Parang wala yan before nung nandito kami. Parang bago yan. Marami din palang nagbago dito. Hindi naman siya ganun karami. Ha? Look at the Uniqlo. It's so big. I know, right? I wonder yung prices nila dyan, kung mura lang ba. Gutom snaas? Alas 6 na?
Goodbye! I saw it. Next, we're gonna stay a month in Japan.
So, dito tayo kukuha ng ating panggastos. HSBC. And then, yan pala yung church mga kalalab. So, it's been a long time na sayang. It's been a long time na, pangalan ito? Construction. I think many years na yung ginagawa. But, yeah. Okay, let's get money. Kain mga kalalabs. First pho in Vietnam. Ayan siya. Papa Dave, same lang din yung order niya, and din si Nicole. O, diba? Ayan. Kain po tayo. Looking good. Nakabalik na kami dito sa bahay, mga kalalabs. And, na-enjoy namin yung pinain naming sabaw. Sabaw talaga, no? Pa. Gagawa ko ng tiko mamaya. Pero for now, ano muna, mag-relax. Tapos, ang tawag dito, maligo. Maglalagay ako ng cream sa may ano ko dito ko. Kasi may tumubo dito na sobrang kate. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Rashes na naman. Dahil siguro sa init ng panahon. Bumili din pala kami ng ano mga kalalas. Tinapay. Kasi gutumin yung mga kasama ko dito sa bahay. So kailangan meron tayo parating ano, backup plan. So ayan, bread. So much bread. And then, bumili din ako niyan. Meron siyang hotdog. And egg tart. Tapos, meron tayong ganito. Dahil si Papa Dib ay, sabi ni Nicole, isip basa si Papa Dib. Sabi niya, ito yung pinili niya. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. And then, ito din yung pinili ni Papa Dib. Ano ba nangyayari sa asawa ko, babe? Tapos, ito, yung may mga sausages din. Ayan. Lalagay ko lang siya sa plato. And then, tayo ay maliligo. Oh my. Alam nyo, natutuwa ako dito. Tingnan nyo to. Oh. Meron silang hagdanan. Ito yung hagdanan. Kasi, big. Ang taas ng kanilang mga lagayan ng plato. So, hindi ko siya maabot. Buti na lang, meron silang ganito. So, maabot na natin yung mga plato-plato. May plato ba dito na ano? Sorry no mga kalabs. Parang bowl lang naman yung meron. Posible mo ng plato, B. Ayan. Oops. Ayan. Malaking plato. Ang ganda ng plato nila, no? Ito ko lang siya dito. Para, ano ba, presentable ba yung ating mga tinapay. Hindi ko natataglalin sa plastic ng mga kalabs. Para, ano, cover na cover siya. Ayan. Here you go. Ito na lang siya. Takpan natin yung tea because I don't think I'm gonna use that one. And there. Perfect. Ayan. Ay, pagod. Nagpa-deliver din pala kami ng malaking ano mga kalalas sa tubig. Ayan siya, oh. Nag-alala ako kasi nakita ko lang tong ulo na ganyan. Hindi ko nakita yung meron pala siyang diyang ano. Kasi sabi ko, hala, paano ko inain mo? Igagano mo siya, itutumba mo siya para makainom ka ng water. Ayan, gawa ako ng tea. Maya-maya tayo ay magsha-shower na. And I will be ending my vlog na mga kalalabs. Maraming salamat po sa panonood ng vlog. Sana po na-enjoy nyo ang ating vlog today. Thank you all for watching and say bye to our view. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pero ayan siya yung view natin. Good night from Vietnam mga kalalab. See you on our next vlog. Bye-bye!